Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add texture draw feature on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut app and then click a new project. Add the photo or the video that you want to edit. In here, I want to add the photo, so you can click on the photo, and after this, you can add the photo that you want to edit. Maybe this one, so you just click on it, and after this you can click the add at the bottom. Add. And now if you wanna add texture draw feature, so you just click on the text at the bottom, and then in here you just click on the draw, and then in here you just click on the texture, click on it, and then click in here. You can see a texture that you want to add. You can swipe left like this. You can see a mini texture on a CapCut. So I want to try to add texture this one, so you just click on it, and then you can draw to your photos like this. Okay, like this. And then in here you can set the size. Can swipe left or right like this. Okay, or you can set the opacity like this. Okay, I wanna try to add another texture, maybe this one. Okay, like this. Sorry. Okay. Okay, this one like this, or this one like this. Oh, this is a frame. Good for frame. Okay, now you can click a check icon at this one for the save and finish. So that's how to add a draw texture on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.